Welcome to this channel on process optimization and service operations. Over the last 30 years in banking and service industries, I have seen how broken workflows cost time, money, and trust. This channel is about fixing them fast. Here you'll find insights on streamlining processes, leadership lessons on building alignment, and conversations and reflections on real challenges in service operations. Whether it's through long talks, podcasts, or short clips, the focus is always the same: making service operations more efficient, consistent, fast, and error-free, while keeping customers and employees in the center. This is a space for real experiences, real lessons, and real conversations that matter. I'm Satinder Kaur. Do explore to get started.